In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio. Whether you're a designer working with agencies or enterprises, or simply someone who wants to jazz up their website, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to Wix Studio, which is a powerful web platform tailored specifically for agencies and enterprises looking to build dynamic professional websites. Once you've navigated to their site, the next thing you'll want to do is log in. Click the login button at the top right corner of the home page. If you have a Google account, you can streamline this process by opting to continue with Google. It's just a click away and saves you the hassle of typing in your details. Now that you're logged in, welcome to your dashboard. Here you'll see various options and tools that Wix Studio offers. To begin the text mask process, you'll need to click on the plus icon, typically located on the side toolbar. This action will open a menu of all the different elements you can add to your website. From this menu, you'll specifically want to select text. Clicking this will showcase a wide range of text options, and within these you'll find text mask. This is the component we're focusing on today. When you select text mask, you'll be presented with various template choices. Take a moment to browse through and choose the template that best fits the style of your website. Selection is as easy as clicking on the preferred option. Once you've selected your desired text mask, it's time to position it on your web page. This involves a simple drag and drop action. Just click on the mask, hold, and drag it to the area of your page where you want it to appear. You can always adjust its location later, so don't worry if it's not perfect on your first try. Next, let's move on to editing the content of your text mask. Click on the mask again, and you'll see the option to change text. Clicking this will allow you to type in the new text you want to display. Be creative and tailor this to suit the purpose of your website. After all, text masks are a fantastic way to attract your visitors' attention with dynamic and visually appealing text. And there you have it, you've successfully added and edited a text mask on your Wix Studio project. This tool is not only easy to use but also elevates the aesthetic of your website with little effort. Feel free to experiment with different looks and placements to truly make your site stand out. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep designing.